We are live from the second edition of the ET Infra Air Summit 2026. Joining me is Mr. Aakash Sinha, founder and director of Omnipresent Robot Tech. Hi, sir. Thank you for joining us. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
All good, sir. Thank you for asking. I would like to start off the conversation by asking how close are we to achieving large scale adoption of drone technologies across industries?
I think you have to see drones not just as an independent thing. They are part of a full autonomy stack. So apart from when the drone is flying, there's a AI layer, there's an autonomy layer, apart from just the drone hardware. And so when you look at this full autonomy stack, then I think India is still obviously a little behind the world, but we are catching up very fast. And we have the opportunity to leapfrog to build the full autonomy stack without going through the individual steps that the world has gone through. And one example of this I can see is that you know uh, currently a lot of drones get jammed due to jammers. But then we looked at this issue and we recently developed an autonomy layer where the drones can literally fly without any GPS, without any and this means that they will be virtually hack-proof, spoof-proof, and nobody will be able to stop them once they are launched. So I think when we look at the full autonomy stack, then I think there's a lot India needs to do, but we also have an opportunity that we can take leadership in this in the world.
Right, sir. And moving on to my next question, what do you think will define the next phase of growth for the Indian aviation sector for the next decade or so?
So I think if you look at the aviation sector in general, there is a huge opportunity for aviation to mix with the drones themselves. And part of it where you will see start happening with drone taxis coming in, and at the same time aircrafts getting lighter and lighter. Also coming back to the autonomy stack part, we also have to build extreme safety systems when large number of drones start operating. And we need to have safety systems to avoid drone to drone collisions, drone to aircraft collision, and then even bird collisions. And with that effect, we actually have recently deployed a bird hazard mitigation system at one of the airports in India, which can actually mitigate bird hits by up to 80%. So, as I said, safety is one of the aspects that we also have to look at to be able to scale up our aviation industry.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.
Stay tuned to ET Infra's social media handles as we bring latest updates and insights from the event.